Reddit mod teams waste hours on duplicated work. Two mods reviewing the same report, neither knowing the other is already on it. TriageFlow fixes that. The moment a report comes in, it appears in every moderator's queue, instantly. When one mod claims an item, it locks in real time for everyone else. No collisions, no duplicated effort. Each report gets an AI-powered urgency score, analyzing the content, the report reason, and the risk level, so the most critical issues always rise to the top. One click to approve, remove, or ban. The action fires immediately. The item disappears from every mod's screen at once, and the full audit log captures who did what and when. TriageFlow runs entirely inside Reddit. No external logins, no separate dashboards, no new tools to learn. Install it in any subreddit you moderate, and your team is ready in seconds. Faster decisions, zero duplicated work. Your mod team finally in sync. TriageFlow.